In this lab, our first goal is to establish the ASDM connection between this admin PC to the ASAV outside interface. Now either I can configure a dedicated management interface or basically any interface to set up the ASDM connection. In this lab, I'm setting up the outside interface. I have a different video where I have shown how to launch the ASDM for ASAV inside the Eve-NG. In this lab, I have the documentation and also have given the link for the lab. But anyway, there was a management interface that I have configured on that lab, but in this lab I'm going to configure the outside interface to connect the ASDM. Now to connect the ASDM, I have basically 10 requirements, but I will try to configure this with 7 steps. The first one is configure an interface in the ASA or ASAV to connect the ASDM. Basically, I'm going to do some initial configuration like changing the host name, and for ASAV I cannot skip the password part, so we really have to put a password. I have chosen to put like 1 to 8, and the firewall must run in single mode. But anyway, ASAV always runs in single mode. You cannot run multi-context there. And then here, interface gig0/0, I am adding the IPs from the DHCP as I have connected in management cloud or management 0 interface here. So that is the internet. And I can say IP at DHCP set route. Set route means at the same time it is adding IPs from the DHCP and also setting the default route towards the ISP, which is route out 0.0.0.0, 0.0.0.0, and then towards the gateway. And this is my ASAV. Mode is single, interface gig 0/0, no shut. Here you go, our IP is 192.168.137. I can update here by saying 37. There you go. The second requirement, I have to set up an ASDM user account, which is this one. Literally, I have to put an admin and then a password and then the privilege level. Privilege level 15 is the highest one. So this admin with the password Eve-NG will have the highest privilege level. Our step 2 is done. Now enable HTTP service, and we have to define the subnet and the interface. We are going to use the hypertext transfer protocol, which is the browser. So we must enable the HTTP service. So literally we have defined the interfaces, which is this one. We know that our outside will be same as our main router, which is 192.168.1.0, which is the ISP. And then I have defined the subnet, which is /24 mask, and then the interface, which is outside. Here is a command we can say management access outside. If we are configuring an inside interface for the ASDM to connect, we can say inside here. If we are configuring a management interface in order to connect the ASDM to that management interface, we can say management access management. Here we are saying outside. By saying this management access outside, it allows the traffic sent or received from that interface immediately instead of looking for other interfaces. Now we can hit enter and we can save our configuration, and we can say show run HTTP. This is our HTTP configuration. Also we can say show run user. This is our username, password, and the privilege level is 15. Okay, now our fourth requirement is download and install the Java and the JRE, which is Java Runtime. Now either we can download directly from the Java site, or if you have downloaded somewhere, like I'm using my cloud server, so I will be downloading this from my cloud server. And the reason we need the Java file and the Java JRE is Java is a computer language that powers many current web and mobile applications, whereas Java Runtime JRE is a software that helps to run the Java correctly. So we need both. Now this is the computer where the network admin is sitting. So I'm going to maximize the screen. Now if you notice, I have already the network connectivity here because this PC is also connected via the BMnet 0 or this interface, management cloud interface, which is a shared interface. So I'm going to download these softwares from my own cloud server. I'm going to open a browser, and then I went to my YouTube channel, and then I am literally in the same link launching ASDM for ASAV inside the Eve-NG. And this is the link for my cloud storage, which is my cloud server as well. I have kept a lot of important softwares and a lot of networking labs there. So guys, you can check it out there. But anyway, I'm going to that server, and then this is the image that I'm using here. So you can also download this image. If you need an ASDM launcher, we have it here, secure CRT. Anyway, I need Java JRE, which is here, going inside. I need the 64-bit. It depends on your Windows architectures, but let me verify that. I can check from here. System type 32-bit operating system and 64 based processor. So I need the Java file of the 32-bit version. So I need this one. Then let's download this one. Download anyway. Let's install this one. Install. Next. Wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, successfully installed. Close. Now we need the other version. This is the Java runtime. So this is the actual Java machine language. Download anyway, and then install. It is installing in the backend. This is the one, I guess. Okay, so it's been installing in the backend. Hit OK. I guess Java is installed because I can see Java configure. So anyway, moving forward to our next step, which is 5. From the Eve-NG Qemu Windows, connect the ASAV interface via any browser. Let's see if we can connect. Now remember one thing, without downloading and installing the Java and the Java JRE file, you cannot launch the ASDM. Okay, now let's go to this PC again, and if I type literally this interface, and we know that the IP has been assigned from the DHCP as 192.168.1.37. Here you go, 192.168.1.37 gig 0/0. https clone//192.168.1.37, right? And we'll hit advance, proceed, and then we have already installed the Java, so do not worry for Java again. Install ASDM launcher, and this is the crate that we have created. We have given a name admin, and our password was Eve, EVE. Sign in. Now see, it's been authenticated correctly, and it has given us option to download the DM launcher, which is ASDM launcher. Show all. We need to install this launcher now. Hit next, install, finish. Device IP address, which is literally this interface, 192.168.1.37. We can say remember, continue. For the first time, it might take some time to initiate all the configuration. And there you go. We have successfully launched our ASDM inside the Eve-NG. So the prerequisites for the lab is done. It will take some time here to initialize the communication model, but don't worry, just give it some time. Please wait while ASDM is loading the current configuration from your device. So basically, this ASDM launcher via this Qemu Windows is talking to the on-site ASAV device. So as you see, we had basically 10 steps, but we had configured in 7 steps. What we skip, we don't need any TFTP server to download. We don't need to configure the path for TFTP, and we don't need to copy the ASDM images as long we are using this ASAV 9.16.2.3 image, and this is literally the configuration. This documentation, I will share this in the description link. You guys can download it. Thank you.